Alright guys, we're about to head to the campsite, get in the car wash with Meg. Gonna see how she reacts. I don't know if this is a good idea.
I think it's a good idea.
I don't think she likes it.
Her heart beats real fast.
Hi Daddy. Hey. We're going on the car wash today. Wait, let her know what she reacts. Alright guys, so this is the Crescent 2 tent by Sierra Designs. This is the cheap version that you can get at Target, and we just completed setup. So here is the first thing I noticed. Like, there is mesh netting on the inside of the tent. That's not a good sign, so thank goodness it is not supposed to rain tonight. Yeah, when you package your product and have mesh inside the tent, I don't know. All I can say is good thing there's not supposed to be rain. And of course, this is the tent that has the 600 millimeters of waterproofing, where it says on their website it is water resistant, and yet it's waterproof. I've seen some other reviews and that apparently is not the case. So I am going to camp out here tonight in this, and then I have an idea. Once we get back home from enjoying our camping trip, I'm going to get some clear fingernail polish and go around all of the seams, like these seams here, and see if fingernail polish will make it waterproof, or a little bit better than what it currently is. Alright guys, it is time to start cooking. So, we just got a new little mess kit. I don't even know what all is in it. So, let's see. The goal is to make some chicken Alfredo over the campfire. That's the goal. So, let's see, there's a kettle. Alright, got the coffee going for coffee 30. Full of little scrubbers to clean these out with. Alright.
And we're going to make some coffee too.
Yep, it's coffee 30. So, this one's not wanting to come out. Alright. So 2 pots, a skillet, some plates, some bowls, and a kettle for water. Awesome. Alright guys, so let me get started on making some coffee for coffee 30, and then it will be dinner time.
Pasta time?
Pasta cooking time.
Coffee 30, coffee 30.
Well, put it in a kettle right over
I
there.
already got the coffee 30 going.
No, it's not. It's pasta 30.
No, it's coffee 30, coffee 30.
Coffee 30. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. This is our tent. Really waterproof.
All right, so we got coffee 30 going over here.
No, pasta 30.
No, right here is coffee 30, right there.
No,
What you are working on over there
it's pasta 30.
is chicken Alfredo. Coffee CPR right here.
Satisfying. Can you pour me a cup too?
Running out of wood. Pasta 30.
Leo, use your knife and
All right. Put this. Look at that view.
Oh, wow. Looks even better on camera.
Actually, I doubt it because it looks pretty good where we're at.
as you can see, we're almost done with pasta Alfredo.
Right. Dinner served, sissy. That look good.
I'll pass them out in a second.
Some campfire chicken Fredo.
I could.
You helped cook. Aw, little kiddos playing in the tent. Got the campfire going. Kids settling into bed. It has been an awesome, awesome night.